have a document here and I'd like to create a table of contents. So I'll show you a very easy way to do this. I'll click on this first line and on the Home tab, I'll mark it as heading 1. Then I'll click on this line, I'll mark that as heading 2. I'll click this one, mark it as heading 2, and then I'll make this one heading 1. And I've completed that through the rest of the document. Now I want to generate the table of contents. A lot of people will generate the table of contents at the end of their document. That way they don't have to change the page numbers, and then after they print it, they just move the table of contents to the beginning of the document. So I'll hold down the Control key and tap the End key. And now I'd like a page break, so I'll hold down the Control key and tap the Enter key. And then I'll click on References. I'll go to Table of Contents. I like this second option. I'll click on it. And there you have it, a table of contents based off of any text that has a heading 1 or heading 2 style applied to it.